Hi, Nikki.
Oh, hi, Megs. Hello. I was just dancing. What's up?
Are you excited for the new elections that are happening today at Pinecone Archipelago?
I'm not to politics.
Yeah, me neither.
But if you were to vote, then who would you vote? I was thinking about voting for because she's so God fearing and she has a lot of plans to serve this archipelago better.
I would be also thinking about voting for. I was thinking about voting for because his ads are good, but he also knows how to serve this country better. Well, in my eyes, no matter what, whether we like it or not, let's hope that the new president will serve this country for the better and for the upcoming years.
Yeah.
It's as if there is nothing weird that would ever happen. What the? Oh my gosh! Please stop!